Why are corals called animals? Have you ever wondered why coral reefs are often called rainforests of the sea even though they don't look like forests at all? And more importantly, why are corals considered animals? Aren't they just colorful rocks or plants swaying gently in the ocean? Well, the truth might surprise you. Corals may look like plants or stones, but deep down, they are living creatures, just like jellyfish or sea anemones. That's because corals belong to a group of animals called Cnidaria, and here's the coolest part, each coral is made up of thousands of tiny animals called polyps. Imagine a coral reef as a bustling city, with each polyp being a tiny citizen working together to create an underwater masterpiece. Now, let's dive a little deeper. How do these polyps live and why aren't they plants? Unlike plants, corals cannot make their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, these clever little polyps catch their meals using tiny, tentacle-like arms that wave in the water. These arms have special stinging cells that help them grab microscopic plankton and other nutrients floating by. So, they hunt for food, just like other animals do. But wait, you might say, if corals are animals, why don't they move around like fish or crabs? Great question. While most animals can move, corals are sessile, they're anchored in one spot for life. It's like living in a cozy house forever, except their house is made of calcium carbonate, which is what gives coral reefs their hard, rock-like structure. Here's another mind-blowing fact. Even though corals are animals, they have a special partnership with tiny algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live inside the coral's tissue and help produce food for the coral through photosynthesis, just like plants do. In return, the algae get a safe home and nutrients from the coral. It's the ultimate teamwork, nature's version of a win-win deal. So, next time you see a coral reef, remember that it's not just a pretty underwater garden, it's a lively community of animal life, working together in harmony. Corals may not roar like lions or leap like dolphins, but their quiet, hard-working nature makes them just as fascinating as any other creature in the animal kingdom. Isn't the underwater world full of surprises? Keep exploring, and you'll uncover even more wonders hiding beneath the waves.